I can help you get more clients. It's a fact. Experts agree that over 85% of all buyers watch online review videos first before making a purchase decision. If you're like most businesses online today, you'll have written reviews or testimonials from happy customers scattered all around the internet. That's all great news in theory, but the fact remains that most of the review sites don't allow you to link back to your website. They're overloaded with advertisements, full of your competitors' reviews, or impossible to find. So, imagine if you could grab your existing written reviews and turn them into professional video testimonials in less than 60 seconds. You'd be interested, right? Once this is done, you simply add the videos to your website or YouTube for everyone to easily find, and guarantee that everyone watching these video reviews stays on your website or channel. This simple trick massively increases your chances of a sale, improves your ranking on Google, and presents your reviews the way people prefer. To discover how you can create genuine professional video testimonials in less than 60 seconds, click on the link below.